Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the light bulb in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair, should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new light bulb. This light bulb is located in the freezer compartment and turns on when the door is opened. It helps night predators to properly choose their favorite ice cream. If you won't see a thing inside the freezer with the door opened, check your eyeglasses and then the light bulb and replace it if needed. To get it apart, we need to open the freezer door. So this is our light bulb behind this light lens on the rear cover panel in the freezer compartment. So to remove this light lens, we need to press on the tab at the bottom of it, and then we can take it out. So here we are. This is our light bulb, and to take it out, we need to unscrew it counterclockwise. This is the old light bulb next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so we're going to install the new light bulb. I'm going to place it in and turn it clockwise to screw it in. Next, I'm going to install these light lens. If you look at the top of the lens, there is a little tab here that goes up in the opening on the top of this cutout, and we've got this locking tab at the bottom. So we're going to place it in and push it in. And now we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.